Hello and welcome back. This is going to be a short video to see how we can add a second company or a third in LedgerNueva. So maybe you're managing more companies, maybe you just want to keep each of your projects separately. What you have to just do is go to this top corner on the right button, click once, add company. You just give it a name. Let's say this is going to be our subsidiary in Dubai company. Choose the location, United Arab Emirates, region, depending which region. Let's say we're in Dubai, in free zone. We're going to leave the local currency and we just click create company. And that's pretty much it. Your currency now is displayed in the local currency. You can post invoices from here. Your customers currently empty. And this is how you navigate back to your other companies. And that's all. I'll see you in the next one.